Yeah, this particular building here, it's a phenomenal building. The property managements are really good. And look, they just revamped the whole building. Like we just changed the floor, changed the lights. Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Very busy on open house today.
Oh, I have my own house, thank you.
Awesome. Hello, sir.
Hi there.
Hello, guys. How's it going?
Good.
Excellent.
You found the place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a beautiful place.
Yes.
It's a beautiful place. Very nice building.
Uh-huh.
And you can see the greenery around here.
Yes.
The backyard. It's phenomenal.
Okay, so a few questions. Maintenance fees.
It's around 440
Yeah.
for now. That includes I think water and common elements, but does not include gas and electricity.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so there's gas here. That's what they use for your furnace and
Sure.
and that's why you were able to put a gas stove. Sorry, not a gas stove, but a barbecue.
There's an outlet out there?
Yeah. I mean, you can put an outlet, but your gas furnace are outside.
Oh, the gas furnace is outside.
Outside.
That is one of the writers?
Yeah, you see that over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there's like, okay.
Yeah. So, I'm not sure if it's open well. You can also use it for storage. It's like,
Okay, so there's a gas outlet there.
correct. Yeah.
So we can have the water here, the water here.
Correct.
All right, I see a lot of maintenance going on in the lobby.
Yeah, so they revamping the whole building.
Mm-hmm.
And the lobby is the last one to go. You
Okay.
can see, as you notice, the carpet is quite new.
Oh, yeah, outside.
All right,
Yeah.
it's practically outside. Yeah. Now, and I'll gladly email that.
So those are all the big questions.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
You know, we don't like to surprise after it, because everyone gets a surprise
Oh,
after.
definitely.
Right?
Yes.
So,
Well, that's why, when you work with a buyer agent, it's their due diligence to
Yeah.
make sure that everything is up to
Yeah.
yeah.
Have you guys come here from?
Yeah, we did look around. Yeah.
Okay.
What's that? A closet?
So this is a closet slash pantry room.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So whatever you prefer,
Yeah.
you can put your jackets in there. And the fact that you have so much covered countertops and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So you may not need, this stuff, but my clients have done. They love to book.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so-
Is this a younger couple, an older
So
couple?
they are a younger couple. They didn't want to sell the house, but fortunate event happens.
Oh.
They're having a baby.
Okay, yeah, very nice, yeah.
Not just one,
Hey,
but two.
twins,
Okay,
okay,
yeah,
so they gotta go.
They gotta go. Well, they would like to go.
How long have they been here?
So the gentleman bought this property, I believe, 22.
Oh,
Yeah, because we noticed they bought more than
Yeah.
what they're selling for, so if they're, are they just?
So I mentioned to
what's
them
going on? Yeah,
that let's price it under market value
okay,
for us to get some traction.
yeah,
Because especially with the condominium these days, they're having a hard time showing the property because it's overpriced.
yeah. for sure.
Right? Have some donut, guys.
Oh,
Yeah, come on in. Can I just get you guys sign in?
Will you fill anything else in?
No. Just your email address. would be fantastic. So I can definitely email you your, the status of the certificate, and then we do have a locker downstairs. I don't have my keys, so I'll